Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Minecraft character. This time it's gonna be the horse, and I think his name is Jewel. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this horse, and to begin we're gonna start out drawing the body. So it's just gonna be one long rectangle. So this is gonna be the full body. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw part of the saddle because it's right in the middle and it will help us divide up the space a little bit. So we're going to draw two lines right in the center here, just coming down. And we can close that off first. And then right here we'll draw one box. Okay, I know it's a little bit strange, but all the parts will come into play. So now let's draw in the little saddlebag that it has on the back here. So this is just gonna be, just come down right around here. Basically one big square. Alright, and then let's go ahead and finish up this part. We'll add in another square inside. And then up here, one line. And then in the middle, draw one square coming down and then finish off the strap right here. Just another line on the bottom. Alright, so then from here let's go ahead and finish up the legs and then we'll move on to the head. Okay, so for the legs, just come in the center of this line here. Just come out or come in and then we'll go all the way down past this line. Go back here, just come down to this point and then close this off. So you're gonna have to erase out this line right here. Okay, and then from here let's draw in the hind legs. So pretty much the same thing, just extend this. Okay, just come down here. And then about the same width of this, come across. And then we'll go all the way down again. Close this off. And then again, just get rid of this line right here. Alright, and then to finish off the bottom is really easy. We'll just draw like a smaller rectangle inside here. Close it off. And then we'll extend it to this width and draw another rectangle on the bottom. So this should be the same size as the one on top. Okay, so same thing here. Draw like a smaller rectangle. Extend it to this width, come down, draw a rectangle, and then for the details I'm just going to add in one line right in the center. Alright, so now let's move on to the head, and it's going to be a little bit trickier because it's kind of at a 45-degree angle. Alright, so we're going to come up here, right over his leg right here, 45-degree angle, or as best as you can, just kind of angle it up. And then this is going to be a right angle, so it's going to be 90 degrees. We'll just come all the way across. This is going to be the width of the neck. And then we'll come back down, same slant as this. So wherever you are, just come back into the body. Okay, so that's his neck, and from here it's a little bit easier. So we're just going to be drawing everything at the same 45-degree angle. So now we'll extend this. This will be the back of the head. On this line here, extend it, and now we'll just draw one big rectangle here. Okay, so that's the head shape, and now we can add in some details on the inside here. So right in the center, I'm gonna draw two lines all the way across and stop short right around here. Extend this line here, and let's give this some thickness here. So I'm going to draw two more lines. So there's one strap going across this way, and then one more strap over here. So same thing, just two lines. Okay, and now we can draw in the eye. So the eye is gonna be right here. Just draw a little rectangle right on this corner and then divide it up. And then let me shade this in black so we can see the eye a little bit better. Okay, so now it looks like a horse, right? And then for the details up here, we'll just extend this just one little extra block here. Alright, so now let's draw in his ear. His ear is just gonna be right on top of this. Just go up and then close it off. Okay, and then for the mane here, just come out from the ear, and then we're gonna follow the same slant all the way down and just stop short because the saddle is gonna be here, and then we'll go straight down first. And then for the saddle, whatever corner you have here, just come straight across and then just close it. And for the details here in the saddle, just add one extra block. Okay, and then for the strap right here, this one's a little bit strange. So right here, we're gonna come straight across and go up. So it's just gonna be a little angle right here. And then we'll connect this. So this is one strap and it's an angle, so it's gonna go up, but it's gonna be very blocky, right? So we'll take this corner, we'll draw another rectangle. I'm gonna have to erase out this line right there. And then from the corner, just one more rectangle. Alright, so lastly, the little tail. So it's pretty simple. Right here, just come out. And then we'll go all the way down. Just slant it. Come in, same slant as this. I'm going to add one little angle here. Continue the slant. And then now I'm just going to go back up. And that is it for this horse in Minecraft. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you next time.